All right, guys, back again. Trader Sabran here live, and we are looking at week 45 of the market. This is gold. We're trading gold this week, and let's look at the analysis forecast that we want to take on gold. Now, gold has been very interesting. If you check the monthly time frame, we can see that multiple reactions has been created on gold. Multiple reaction here. Price action, obviously. Let me see the region at which price is at $2,000. So we see price creating a rejection at $2,000 right now on gold. So the question is it going to break above $2,000 or is it going to start dropping? So then the next move that the price may think of doing is multiple reaction to the downside. So as you can see, this created a structure here. So this is the trading zone for gold that we're going to be looking at. Okay, now possibly it could be even a little bit higher towards this zone because of that multiple reaction there, which is 1.13 or 20 towards 1.13, around, let's say 1.1320, 1920, $1,920. Okay, now this is the monthly view that I'm looking at. Now there could be a pullback into these $1,920 in this zone. The price could pull back in there and then rally back up because of the liquidity pull to the upside. Okay, so we are seeing a struggle here. Now let's go back to the daily. If you check the daily, obviously we see price is rejecting us $2,000, and that obviously gives us an opportunity for the market to pull back. Okay, the market could pull back into these $1,920, and that will be opportunity for a good buy, as you can see. So now on gold, the first thing you want to think about is, should you sell that market? Of course, you could sell to $1,920. You could sell that, and what I mean by that is you could sell into this level and expect a push up again like this. So this is exactly what the market is giving right now in the picture. This is exactly what we're going to be anticipating on gold. All this liquidity pool will be taken out. We see opportunity that price is going to drop into these levels of the fib. It could drop even lower a little bit, but watch for price. And so you could sell on the 4-hour time frame. That gives you opportunity to look for a sell on the market. To you could set to 1930 or 1920. You could set to 1910 as the market gives you an opportunity, because there's going to be a pullback, and this is a long-term pursuit to this trade. In other words, you can actually look for there's a structure here that need to break, and you want to break and retest on the 4-hour to be able to see where you're getting in. And then if the market drop and break, take out this liquidity, and the pullback will be nice for you to get in on your sell. So this for gold, and I'm looking at that opportunity for a drop to the downside, because there will be a retracement, because it's gone to the tip of $2,000, and it began to drop. So if you were buying, you would have gotten your TP on $2,000 and then let it pull back before you get in again, which eventually will not target a break above the $2,000. So these are different TP levels that you should be targeting. Number one, 1917, and then 1960, and then 1950, and then 1930, 1920, 1910. These are different TP levels on gold that you could really target at the moment to sell. So on gold, we're looking at a sell opportunity Okay, now I'm not, obviously, you know how you trade your gold, so you know how you get your entry, but I'm looking for that opportunity where price will give us a drop, a break of that structure, pull back into that order block, and then opportunity to sell will be given. So this is exactly what I'm looking for on gold. So I'm going to be sending the analysis in the weekly, in the daily analysis that I do. I'm going to be sending the opportunity for people to get into a trade. So if you are not in the CB Trading Lab, there's the opportunity to join in so you can catch the move of gold. Now, I want to do US30. For those of you who trade US30, I would have loved to do more analysis on other pairs, but these are the pairs I feel at the moment that people are very interested in trading. So let's look at US30 under indices. So US30. Now, if you check US30, we're seeing that according to the market, if you look at the technical aspect of it, the market is very neutral on the daily. I mean, it's buying on the daily, it's looking bullish on the daily, but it looks even stronger bullish on the monthly. And that is very interesting because if you check the monthly is looking bullish overall, because this was a structural high that was taken out. This was a pullback and it's going back up. So it's still maintaining a bullish momentum on US30. So it's still maintaining a bullish momentum on the monthly, and on the weekly. At the same time, we are looking at two things here: bullish momentum strong. So US30 is bullish, and we can see that even the push up already, what the market did was to take this liquidity out of there, which is here. And if you check from here to here, you see that that's what it did. It just that's what it did by smashing lower, by taking out liquidity. That's why it went lower. Okay, it went lower. So assuming you were buying on a long term for swing traders, assuming you were buying on long term there, you would have been here on that, and then your stop loss definitely would have been on the previous low structure. So that's what you would have been like. So here you'll still be in profit, and you'll be targeting this high, a minimum of 1 to 2, depending on how you trade. And that's the beauty of this US30. But for those of you trading the lower time frame, I mean, day traders per se, this is still a good opportunity to catch your buys. So I'm going to just look for opportunity to show you in the lower time frame. Let's go to the daily. Now we're looking at technicals, ideas. Okay, now looking at ideas. This is week 46 with 45 that we're looking at. We're looking at week 45 of this market. So we can see that on the daily, the market looks very, very interesting too. It looks very interesting because this high is being competitively taken out. We have this high is being competitively taken out. So for that reason, we could anticipate that the market was heading, or is heading, to the next level, which is 35,600. So the market is heading to 35,600 if you break above there, which is beautiful. So we'll be able to look for opportunity for buy. So the best thing you want to do is to put a trend line here, and you want to wait for a break of that trend line on the daily. Okay, you wait for a break of that trend line on the daily, and a retest will give you opportunity to join the buy. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, this is the picture now we're looking at. We can literally see that this previous structure, lower high, has been taken out, broken. So, I mean, higher low, right, has been taken out. This is, lower high has been taken out. So now we have this lower low taken out. Then we have a drop to the downside. Now this push-up rally broke the high, and it's at the peak of it. So we're looking at it at the peak of it, you can see. So right now we want a break of that trend. We want that trend line to break. If we want a break of that trend line, if that trend line breaks there, we're looking at a buy opportunity. So that's what you want to look at. So for me, US30 is bullish all the way. It's bullish all the way. So if you're buying US30, I trade US30 on my challenge account that I'm trading on. So we're looking at opportunity for more buys. We've been buying and more opportunity to buy into that market. So this is my take on gold and US30. And if you want to get the daily analysis that we send, join the CB Trading Lab. The link is in the description of this video. And I'll see you in the next week, which is week 46. So enjoy your trading, and I'll catch you guys. Bye for now.